Hello viewers, today we are showing our third smoking design tutorial and wish you will like it. So guys, here you see the design I did. It calls Canadian smoking fish scales design, and maybe it looks like fish, that's why it calls fish scales design, maybe, I don't know. So okay, see, first of all I will show you the design in a paper so that you can understand very rigorously. Here I am taking some squares with 1 inch intervals. Someone take 2.5 cm or 3 cm, but I don't think these are the perfect shape for a cushion. And this is why I would like to take a 1 inch distance, and I think it's perfect for cushion designing. So guys, see, I'm taking a diagonal in first square and then drawn a straight line to upper side of the second square and joined the first square's diagonal and the straight line together. So follow the same process for the whole design, whole line, and after that we'll drop all the squares in a line, nearest line, and then again we'll do the same process which we did in our first line. So by this way complete the full design. So see, here is our design, and you can say the rule or for our required design or procedure. Now we will do it in our fabric, and here is our design, you can see. So follow me how I am doing. You can start from any point of the design, and I'm starting from here. You can start from here too. So I'm showing you the both design, both starting point, I mean, so that you can understand properly. So guys, this is our design. I wish it was helpful for you, and I would like to remind everyone that every Friday you will get a Canadian smoking design or hand embroidery tutorial. So keep in touch with us on every Friday in our YouTube channel. And you can follow us on our website too. And the link is given in description box. Thank you so much for watching us and wish you a very happy and healthy life guys, and don't forget to subscribe us please.